Hi, what's up there? This is Satamisa, and today in this video I'm going to tell you how to change blog of fave icon. So guys, let's start this video. So before changing blogger fave icon, we need to create a fave icon. So for that, go to favicon.io. So click here now on these three lines. Now click on generate. Okay, now you can see this page. So you can see many options here. So in the top you can see text. So click on this text. Now type here TD. TD means tilted. Now click on background. Then you can choose background. You can put square background. So guys, you can preview your logo by here. You can see here preview. From here you can preview your logo. So I'm going to choose rounded background. Now you can choose a font. So guys, you can see this font. This is amazing font now. So now you can see font color. You can from here you can choose font color. So I'm going to choose white font and Z background. We can now click on download. From here you can download your fave icon. Now click on download again. Now this is downloading. So now go to my file, or you can go to file manager. Now click on download, then click on fave. Now you can see here fave icon folder, fave icon io.zip. Now click on unzip. Now you can see fave icons here. Okay, now go to Chrome again. Now we need to go to Blogger. So guys, now click here on three lines. Now go to setting. Now you can see favicon here. Click on it. Now click on choose file. Now click on files. Then you have to choose your favorite icon. So you can search your favorite icon from here. So you can see, so I'm going to choose this favorite icon. Now click on save. Now this is saved. Okay, now you can go to your website. So view blog. Now you have to click here. Then you can see. So guys, now you can see here the favorite icon of this blogger is changed. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please make sure to subscribe and yes, press the bell icon. And don't forget to visit our website www.ratic.blogspot.com, and don't forget to visit my another website www.tubetail.blogspot.com. So guys, bye bye. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye.